Hi. We all know the problem. We have our project, we cut our wood, we start working with it, and after a while we have to find out where what piece was designed for and where it should go. So today I want to show you how to never mix up your work pieces again. We will with the power of the triangle. My name is Heiko. Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's do a little easy project. Let's say you want to build a frame. You have your pieces ready. You put that in front of you. This is how it should look like. Doesn't matter how you want to make the corner connections, really doesn't matter. This is the visible face afterwards. This is the visible side, and you make your assembly marks exactly on that side. So how we do it? We refer everything to a triangle. Usually I just paint them with slight pressure, but to make it more visible for you, I will apply a little bit more pressure so that it's clearly visible what we're doing. So this is our first mark. It's a triangle, done. And we will do the same with this part. So now the orientation of the triangle is always upwards. This is bottom, the upper part, left and right. Okay, let's do something more complicated. So let's build a kind of shelf. So this is what you want to build. A little shelf. So how to do that? It's absolutely the same. Let's say this is the top part and this is the bottom. So then most of the time I draw them freehand, and yeah, I don't push that much, but just for demonstration again. So these are the pieces. There's only one, the middle part with this mark. You can't mix them up. So, and here's the same, the base and the tips. So every part now is clearly, has its clear mark and can just go on one place. So we want to build a kind of table or something in what you need. This little corner posts like this. Let's say this is the top part again. Wait a minute, I have to move it a little bit so that it is clearly in the camera. Let's say this is the top part and this is the bottom. So the same applies here. We take this both pieces, triangle. You know that already. No problem, clearly done. Same with this pieces. Triangle. Also clearly done. This pieces, absolutely the same. Wait a minute, I make it a little bit bigger. The same. Triangle. So every piece now has a very unique mark. You can't mix it. That's how easy the whole system is. Alright, this is a very easy system, you see, and if you watch my videos you will find this little triangle marks on my work pieces as well. If you have a different system or any suggestions or question, post a comment below, I will return. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel, subscribe to it and hit that notification bell. I hope I see you around next time. Happy crafting!